It's that time of year where I put my Christmas tree up. What are we going to do this year that's going to be different than every other year? No, not doing it in my underwear. We're going to do a theme, and this theme I feel like should be short and sweet with a little bit of a caffeinated kick. The one and only Sabrina Carpenter. Yes, if you guys don't know, I love Miss Sabrina Carpenter. Definitely a big stan here, so I thought, why not? Let's make and decorate a Christmas tree this year that is the espresso hitmaker herself, full of nonsense, short and sweet emails that she can send. Come along with me on this journey where we find all the ornaments, all the baubles, all of the little trimmings and things that we're going to need to make this tree into a caffeinated Christmas. So it's going to be fun to see how this all comes together into this one video that you're watching right now. And speaking of watching right now, if you haven't already, go click here, hit subscribe, become a member of our small little caffeinated community that we got going on here, where we get spooky on a season where you won't want to miss out on all the fun, especially making a Sabrina Carpenter Christmas tree. Like, who's done that? I don't think anyone has yet. But hey, here we are. Delivery day. And that means we've got the majority of the baubles in these boxes, so why don't we just get cozy right now and open them up. Some of them seem to either gone wrong or broken. From Sass Belle, I did pick up these Espresso Martini. I got 5 of these. One of them is broken, as you can kind of see here. I could fix it. I ordered Gorilla Glue. I'm smart enough to have bought extra just in case there was a mishap. The others from Wilco, it seems like they updated their product description page with new photos, because I got these Midnight Fantasy encrusted blue baubles, which are now sold out. But they also added a picture of this one after I'd ordered. So now I have this one, the circular one, which is the one I thought was really cool. It then had this picture, which I have about 3 of these, which is kind of frustrating. I over-ordered essentially for mishaps, because I know this type of thing happens a lot. That's all I've got so far. We are waiting for the Christmas tree topper herself to arrive. Okay, so we got the baubles on the way back. Thankfully we got some here, and I'll show you what they look like real soon. Thankfully we got some online because there's hardly anything left. To look at all the baubles, and I'm going to just explain a few little references on what each of them are, so you're like, what? Why are you adding that to the tree? What does that signify? These are my significations for putting the baubles on the tree that makes it a Sabrina Carpenter tree. I want to give a big shout out to my mom. She got me so many Christmassy things in aid of this. She was just like picking them up and sending them to me, so I really appreciate it. So some of hers have actually featured in this too. What the red hearts signify is the Emails I Can't Send album. This was very heart-coated, disco ball at the top for some extra little decoration. These signify her covers, like ABBA, kind of inspires that for retro classic dance bops that she covers up. These lips, because as you know, her album has a kiss mark on there, and a lot of her clothing fits for the tour, and representation is all about these pink bows. It harkens back to her Sumi kind of era for Singular Act 1. Nice jukebox. It's probably the heaviest one we have. Kind of features her aesthetic of the eras that she's kind of emulating at the moment. Croissant, I only have one of them, and this is for her Olympics advert. Main part of this whole tree, which is espresso, coffee, caffeinated, a caffeinated Christmas, if you will. we have a lot of coffee related ones here. So to start things off, we have this little jelly cat that one of my friends gifted me. Shout out to Hina for this one. We call him Carpenter. Also got these Espresso Martini ones. So I have 5 of these that will be on the tree to signify the main event, if you may. Really nice little cafetiere looking one. I really like this. It's got like a little holly on the top, a nod to Christmas, to fruitcake. My mom actually got me these ones. This is a proper bauble one that says I love coffee, which I have about 4 of those to add on. Another I love coffee one here with red instead. It's just this mug overflowing with Christmas cheer. So another nod to fruitcake on there as well. We do have the Midnight Fantasy ones here, these navy ones with crystals kind of coming off the top like diamonds to replicate. We got the rhombus shaped one. We have these 2 here to represent the VMA performance where she was sitting on the diamond. They're kind of see-through one, which I wasn't meant to get, but I somehow ended up getting, as well as the other blue bauble with the kind of Christmas festive bow ribbon on it. Even last but not least, I need a tree topper, right? I custom ordered this tree topper all the way from Canada. Big shout out to the Etsy store who made this. And this is a Sabrina Carpenter tree topper. It looks so good. It's basically espresso. I am obsessed with this. Let's dress the tree up, see what all it looks like at the end. So thank you so much for watching, and let's get festive and enjoy what the tree looks like. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and comment, all of that good stuff. I know I say it in the outro, but just do it anyways. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Happy Christmas. Oh, sorry, I think the video just ended that you were just watching, but don't worry. You can leave a comment down below, tell me what you thought about the video, what was your favorite part, or any suggestions you might have. But also, while you're at it, make sure to hit that like button so you can help grow the channel some more. Wait, you want more videos? Okay, well, you can subscribe right here and get any of those fun updates or any new notifications of giveaways, videos, or anything else straight to your inbox first. Or you can click right here to get one of my hand-picked videos just for you, and you can go binge it if you want. So thank you, and have an awesome day wherever you may be. Bye-bye.